Scott, and Peter. These are all the systems that Paul and I, have come up with for your clients. Now, two of these systems, TradeMaster here and Cruiser, will hold positions for a long time, but I just wanted you to see how these things look. TradeMaster, we've traded live since January 2nd of 2009. Scroll through here so you can see that there's a lot of really long trades. Of course, there's losses here too. It's not going to be a perfectly smooth equity curve, but one of these winners should make up for quite a few losers. And it's performed similar to how it's always performed. Some nice big trades here. And I just want to scroll back over 8 years of data so that you can see how this works. Look at this. A lot of periods where your clients may get freaked out, but it only takes one or two trades, probably only one, to make all of that back. Some really huge gains. Looking at TradeMaster, the performance report, I've taken out slippage and commissions and all fees, and it's loading. Here's what the performance graph looks like. So let me go over to Cruiser. Cruiser is an even longer trading portfolio, or I'm sorry, system. It uses a 222 minute on the Euro USD. But let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this system so you can see the trades here. These, are big movers. This was a over 1,000 pip trade. It held for more than a month. So you're not going to have to look at these trades. I mean, they're huge. A lot of losses here, but the stop loss on Cruiser is only 35 pips. So it only takes one of these big winners to make this up. And I know you see a lot more losses here, but the trades are actually absolutely gigantic. So let me take a look at the equity curve again. And without slippage and commissions, the max drawdown is 5,668. It doesn't take a lot of trades, so this won't change that much when you add the fees of slippage and commissions. And I think I've sent you a report. That's high stakes portfolio, I think is what we called it. Intraday peak to valley, well, that's going to be a lot higher because it'll run up and then come way back down. But your subscribers will find this is a big money maker in their portfolio. In the last system, this Backburner is a shorter term trading strategy. I've taken slippage and commissions and all fees out of this. You can see that the equity curve is very smooth. You add $30 or $70 in fees, and it's going to get a little choppier, of course. But the average trade net profit over 738 trades is $197. So that was a good one, and that's why we added this one. And I'll show you how this one works. Let me close this up. This takes shorter trades, but real tight money management. Let me see if I can click this. So you get some good, good profits, but most of them are fairly short. But it just does a good job of capturing the shorter moves in the market. I know this is going to be kind of choppy, but you guys got to see these so you know what to expect. And you'll be able to run all the reports. So you'll see the reports, but you won't see this unless I show it to you. So I just wanted to show you how these things work. This has got real tight money management, and it produces a really smooth equity curve. This one will trade more often. The other TradeMaster and Cruiser will hold a position for a long time. I mean, obviously, these things get out as soon as it looks like something's turning around. It could have stayed in this position for a lot longer, but we already have TradeStation and Cruiser that do that. So once again, you look at Backburner. We've been watching this one trade live for about 2 months, and max drawdown is only 27.57 for this one. So that's basically the three systems we're suggesting for your clients. Average trade net profit should be right around $200 before fees. So hope you like it. That's it.